All right, welding out these V-bands. Got my CK Worldwide 3/32 laser tungsten here. This is it right here. This is what I'm using for that. And we got our Weld Demon 16th filler wire, and got the machine set to 130. Back purge. Got her set generally about right there. Is about 10 CFH, but I'm gonna bump it up to just like this. Gauge is not accurate, but that's about like 15 or so. And I do that just because this doesn't have a diffuser in it. It's just a straight hole. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get these welded out. Positioner speed, it's about 1.5, 1 RPM. So let's go ahead and get it done. Slow and steady wins the race on these. The reason this flange is discolored is because I weld the inside first and then the outside. Let's get it. All right, let's go ahead and talk about this really quick, just because I get questions about this quite often. Heat sink stuff. So this is just a round chunk of aluminum that I had purchased years ago. I did cut flat spots into it. I drilled a hole straight through to the center, and then I drilled a hole down to it. And so I can purge anything that bolts to this. I have a T3, T4 bolt pattern. I have like your standard, 2-inch to 3-inch 2-bolt flange bolt pattern. I have a 3-bolt pattern. I have a wide 2-bolt pattern. All these holes allow you to bolt on a flange. And you can see this here. I've got a whole tray of stuff. So what I do is I buy a spare V-band assembly, multiples in fact, and then I will weld it to a 2-bolt flange, and that is my heat sink. So this will bolt to that, and then I can secure the V-band so that when I weld it, it doesn't warp, or it prevents the warping, at least the majority of it. So that's just a quick little tip. Again, 16th filler wire, 3/32 CK Worldwide laser tungsten, some of the best tungsten I've ever used. A Lima positioner, link is in the description there, and of course the almighty EverLast 230. So figured I'd share a quick little video. That's a real-time weld right there. V-band flange at 130 amps. I could probably drop the amps, but in my head I'm thinking if I have the amps, the overhead, and if I am mid-weld and all of a sudden I'm like, I need more heat, I at least have it. So yeah, keep on keeping on, guys. And no, I haven't forgotten about all the car content. We got tons of stuff going on. Just insane. Getting close. Back to work.